Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF file to Webflow. This is incredibly useful when you need to share documents like brochures, guides, or downloadable resources directly on your website. First, open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials to access your account. This will take you straight to your Webflow dashboard where all your projects live. From your dashboard, you'll need to select the specific site where you want to upload your PDF file. Click on that site, then click Open in Webflow to launch the designer interface. If you're starting fresh, you also have the option to create a new blank site instead. Once you're inside the Webflow designer, look over to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various tools for building and managing your site. Click on the Assets button. This is where Webflow stores all your media files, including images, videos, and documents like PDFs. With the Assets panel now open, direct your attention to the top left toolbar. You'll see an Upload button there. Go ahead and click it. This action will open a file browser window on your computer, allowing you to locate the PDF you want to add to your site. Browse through your files and folders until you find the PDF document you're looking for. Once you've located it, select the file and click Open. Webflow will then begin uploading your PDF to your site's asset library. Depending on the file size, this might take a moment, so just give it a second to process and complete the upload. And that's it. Your PDF is now stored in your Webflow assets and ready to be linked anywhere on your site. You can now add buttons or text links that allow visitors to view or download this PDF directly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.